Hello, and welcome to this guide explaining how to best set up your heat pump powered underfloor heating system.
Underfloor heating is a luxurious and comfortable heating method well known for being stable and less volatile than other methods.
As the heat pump heats the floor instead of heating the air directly, the heat is distributed throughout the home smoothly and evenly.
Because of this, the system runs best if set at a relatively consistent temperature, avoiding sharp spikes where possible. Consistency is also key, as the floor can take anywhere from 30 minutes to 2 hours to fully heat from cold depending on your type of slab and the construction of your house.
Heat pumps are fast becoming the preferred method of heating in New Zealand homes. They work by absorbing heat from the surrounding environment and transferring it into the water pumped through the pipes within your floor. As the power the heat pump draws is used to transfer heat as opposed to generating it, they are far more efficient than traditional electric element systems. The efficiency of the heat pump is dependent on the temperature of the location where the unit is installed. For example, our largest unit we install will generate around 15 kilowatts in colder conditions, but this can climb to 18 kilowatts when it's warmer.
Designing an optimal heating profile that is both efficient and comfortable is governed by two major factors, these being your ideal temperatures and your daily schedule. The best place to start is determining what I like to call your comfort temperature and your eco temperature. Your comfort temperature is what is set during the times where you are awake and at home. This is very much a personal preference, but somewhere between 19 to 22 degrees is a good starting point. Your eco temperature is what is set for when you are asleep or away from home. This is most commonly set to 18 degrees, but down to 16 and up to 20 have been asked for from time to time. Your schedule is the other piece of the puzzle. Start by determining the time that you would wake on a given day, and then jump from your eco temperature to your comfort temperature an hour before you wake. This gives the heating system some time to put the extra heat required into the floor so it's ready for you when you're awake. If you leave the house for work or study, step the temperature back down to eco to save on your power bill. As before, step this back up to comfort an hour before you would normally return, so everything is nice and warm upon your arrival. Lastly, step back down to eco an hour or two before you would normally go to bed. This dropping in temperature will help you drift off easier and can give you a better quality of sleep. Let's run through an example. Say I feel comfortable at 20 degrees and I want 18 as my eco temperature. I wake up at 7, leave for work at 9, return at 5, and go to bed at 10. I would set 18 across the board to determine my eco temperature, then step up to 20 at 6 AM, an hour before I wake. I would then go back down to 18 at 9, then back up to 20 at 4. I like to sleep on the colder side, so I would go back down to 18 at 8 PM to round off our day. During the weekend I stay around the house, so I would leave the temperature at 20 degrees from the time I wake till the time I sleep across these 2 days. This is by no means a definitive guide, and to suit your personal preferences you may go against what I've said here, and that's totally fine. This guide is a good place to start if you're unsure on where to begin.
Thank you for watching, and I'll see you on your next service.